Hello guys and welcome here. So in today's video we are going to talk about the ATAN function inside of Microsoft Excel. So what exactly is the ATAN function and what it does? So pretty simple, the ATAN function will return us the arctangent or the inverse tangent of a certain number. So the arctangent is the angle whose tangent is a number, and the return number will be between minus pi divided by 2 until pi divided by 2. So this is why I have this set of numbers right here, and what we're going to do in this video is that we are going to use those numbers and return their inverse tangent by using the function ATAN. So the function ATAN contains only one argument, which is the number that we have right here. So this is basically the tangent of the angle that we want. So let's try it out. So pretty simple. I'm gonna zoom in right here, and I'm gonna write down my ATAN function. So we'll start by writing down the equal sign, and here we are going to write down ATAN, and we are going to open up the parentheses. Then, as I said, there is only one argument inside of this function, which is the number. This is why I have my number right here. So we can just click on it, and then we can close our parentheses. And just like that, we have the ATAN that will appear just right there. Now, if we want to apply this function to all the numbers that are just here, what we can do is just take it and drag it until down there. And from this moment, what we can do is that we can generate a chart to see what it will look like in the format of a graph. So how exactly we can do this? So pretty simple. We're just going to select all numbers that we have, and we are going to go inside of insert, and we are going to insert a recommended chart. So just like that, we are able to visually know what exactly this function looks like. And here we go. Just here we have our ATAN function that is in the format of a chart. Of course, here I make jumps of 5. So as you can see, it goes from minus 100 to minus 95, minus 90, minus 85. But if you want to have a more detailed chart, what you can do is really make it go in steps of 1. So instead of minus 100, you will see well, starting from minus 100, you can go till minus 99, 98, 97, etc. Instead of doing jumps of 5. What we can see also in the results, so it goes from minus pi divided by 2, so minus 1.57 something. So here it's minus 1.56, but if we go on lower numbers, it will tend until minus pi divided by 2. And on the upper scale, it tends until pi divided by 2. So it's not pi divided by 2 completely, since pi divided by 2 is 1.57 and something. Here it goes until 1.5607, etc. So if we go with larger numbers, it will go closer to pi divided by 2. So as I said, the answer that you will receive will be between minus pi divided by 2 until pi divided by 2. Depending on the number that you have right here. So I hope you like this little video about the ATAN function. So as always, if you like the video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.